Here you can see that the sounds problems in this phone. If I press the song or volume button, it doesn't work properly. So let's start a song, but it doesn't work. So for this reason, so there is a solutions. You have to put your phone off and then you get the results.